We have plenty of sunshine here. We, the whole time, have been either on the northern periphery of Harvey or the western edge of Harvey. And that Harvey continues to move away. We will see more and more sunshine here in North Texas. A lot of rain, though, today in Louisiana, Arkansas, up toward Tennessee as well. And we've been talking about this breaking news out of Crosby here, which is a northeast suburb of Houston. The winds are out of the west only between 4 and 9 miles per hour. So some of the chemicals that were involved in this explosion, the officials here are saying that the air is not healthy to breathe. In fact, we heard from Don Champion earlier this morning that someone was transported to the hospital, maybe a few people, because of inhaling some of the chemicals that are in this air. But the good news is, if there is a good news, is that the wind is very light. It's not a strong wind that's carrying that chemical far away from the explosion site this morning. Here's the latest on Harvey. It's a tropical depression with maximum sustained winds at only 30 miles an hour. And really, it's just a rainmaker all the way up through northern Mississippi today and Tennessee and Kentucky as we make our way through tomorrow. A new tropical storm that's much stronger is out here in the Atlantic, way out here. Irma is forecast to become a major hurricane by Monday or Tuesday as it moves west. The question is, will it continue to track into the Caribbean by next week, or will it start taking that turn? Unfortunately, I think the better track at this point, or the more favorable track based on our computer models, are into the Caribbean, and then we'll just have to wait and see what happens after that. It may indeed impact at least North America. We'll see if it will impact the United States, but it wouldn't not be until the end of next week or the following week before we'd have to worry about that storm. Well, we're about to end what we call meteorological summer, which is today. We consider summer in the weather world June, July, August. This is the 6th wettest summer on record. 16 inches of rain at DFW. That's a surplus of 9 inches. And so far this year, we're also running a surplus. It's been a wet year for us. We haven't had a whole lot of rain from Harvey here in North Texas. And certainly no rain today with high temperatures close to 90 degrees. Overnight temperatures drop again into the upper 60s and lower 70s with fair skies. And the first day of September tomorrow looks pretty good with highs in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. What we're watching here that's going to bring us rain is not a tropical system, but next week a very strong cold front will begin to work into our area. It should arrive on Tuesday, and that's what's going to trigger showers and thunderstorms for us Tuesday. And then behind the front on Wednesday, it's going to get very cool for us. This will be our first taste of fall coming our way by the middle of next week. Today is not bad, though. 90 degrees, breezy north wind up to 20 miles an hour. Those temperatures will continue to climb into the mid-90s over the weekend and for Labor Day. Very tiny rain chances for the Labor Day weekend. Really wouldn't worry about rain until possibly Tuesday. That's when that front arrives. And behind the front on Wednesday, a high of only 84. Cool, dry air with lows in the 50s and 60s by the time we get to Thursday.